In this tutorial, we're going to talk a little bit about erasing pixels. And it's a very quick tutorial, but so suppose you are coloring something or you add more pixels or you want to get rid of pixels. There's two ways to remove pixels, and that is masking them and also erasing them. Typically, we mask pixels out because you don't know if you're going to need those pixels again, so it kind of creates this little safety net for you. But sometimes you don't, you don't need those pixels anymore, and so you instead opt to erase them because you know you don't need them. So simply put, in my toolbox, I have an eraser tool, and it's got multiple tools that we can use as well. We're just going to show you right now basically the very basic eraser tool. It works just like a brush, just like any other brush. You can set it to softness or hardness. And so right now, what we're going to do is we're just going to pick us a basic brush, just kind of show you. And we'll say, for the sake of argument, that I was brushing and I didn't have something selected and I brushed over it, and I don't want that anymore. So what I would do, I'll set this to multiply so I can see the edges. And what I would do is take my eraser tool and just erase. Now, with the erasing tool, just like any of the brushes, like right now, I've got it set to a light flow, 22%. That's why it was looking kind of washy. If I set it to 100%, it erases everything. And even erases into the skin if you're not careful, but it's just one of those things. And just as a kind of a troubleshooting sort of thing, sometimes, particularly tablet users like myself, you have the setting here, smoothing. Be careful with that setting because it sometimes it opens up to default of smoothing at 100, and what happens is that you see how you have that lag going on. That's the smoothing feature. And so if you notice that your pens or brushes rather or erasers are having that kind of lag time, try dropping the smoothing down to 0, and you'll see that you really kind of don't need it. But that's basically the basic eraser tool in Adobe Photoshop.